Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART inquiries for cultural club program. So let's suppose I am an owner of cultural club program and I am receiving many inquiries on my IndiaMART. Now whenever there is a new lead or the new inquiry, I automatically want to send WhatsApp message to all these leads and all these inquiries. Now here to do this, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART from where I will receive new lead or the new inquiry, and then in my action application, I am going to take AI Sensei, with the help of which I am going to send WhatsApp message to all these leads and inquiries. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for cultural club program. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for cultural club program. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMART automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries, which means whenever there will be a new lead or the new inquiry in my IndiaMART, I should automatically send a WhatsApp message to that lead, which means whenever there will be a new inquiry in my IndiaMART, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever I receive a new lead or the new inquiry and then action says do this, then send WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART, and then in my trigger event, I have to take this new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART. On the left hand side, where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this lead manager, and then I have to click on this three dots, from where I have to go to this import export leads, and then I have to click on this push API. Now under this push API integration, I have to select the source, and in this drop down I can find all the sources. Here I want to select this as other, and then I have to enter the CRM platform name and then the webhook listener URL. So my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect, and then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I am going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have to click on the save details. Now I need to select the reason that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So in this drop down I can see all the reasons. Here I simply want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance, and then I have to select this click to generate OTP. Now I need to enter the OTP that I have received on my number. So I am going to enter that, and then I have to click on this submit. So here I have successfully added my webhook URL which I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow here in my IndiaMART. And now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission. For that I am going to open my profile that I have created in IndiaMART, and I am going to send test query from that profile to my own business in IndiaMART. Now if Pabbly Connect capture that response here in this workflow, this means the connection setup is working fine. So I am going to open my profile in incognito mode. So here I have opened my profile. The name is this, mobile number is this, email address is latest@pabblytudes.com, address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, the company name is Latest Company, and now I am going to search for my business, which is this one. And now after searching for the business, I simply have to click on this contact supplier, and then I have to add my query over here in this box. So let's say my query is hello, I want to. So here I have added my query. Hello, I want to inquire about your cultural club program. Send details, thanks. Now I am going to click on this next, and as this is not a required field, I am going to simply click on this submit. So here I have successfully added my query and sent my query from my profile to my own business, and now Pabbly Connect should capture this query. So let's open my Pabbly Connect workflow. And here I can see that I have instantly received the response. The status is success. I have received the unique query ID, and this query ID will be unique for the every query that will be received. Then I have received the response subject as Pabbly Connect free demo available. Then I have received the state as Madhya Pradesh. Then this is the sender's name. I have received the mobile number, and the email address was latest@pabblytudes.com. The company was Latest Company, and the address was Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The city is Bhopal. And then I have also received the product name, which is Pabbly Connect free demo available. And here I have received the query message. So this is the same exact query that we have just sent from my profile to my business. Hello, I want to inquire about your cultural club program. Send details, thanks. So here, as soon as I have sent the query, I have received the response here in this workflow. This means the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, that is successful. And now whenever someone will send the query or the new lead will be generated, I will start receiving the response here in my Pabbly Connect. Now what I want to do next is whenever I receive a new lead or the new inquiry, I want to send WhatsApp message to that lead or the inquiry. So here in my action application, I am going to take AI Sensei, and then in my action event, I have to take this send template message. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I have to enter this API key. So I'm going to follow the help desk given below and enter my API key. For that, I have to open my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account, and on the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this manage, and then on the left hand side itself I can see this API key. So I need to copy this API key and paste that over here, and then I have to click on this save. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name. So to get this, let me open my AI Sensei account. So over here on the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this manage, and then I have to go to this all where I can see all the templates that have been created. Here for this workflow I have created a template by the name cultural club program, and over here this reads as hello demo. So this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive the new lead with the name of that lead. Thank you for your interest in our cultural club program. We are excited to connect with you. Feel free to ask any questions or get details about your upcoming events, exclusive offers, and more right here. Let us know how we can assist you in registering or learning more. Looking forward to having you with us. So this is the template that I have created, and now if you want to create a new template, you have to simply click on this top right corner in new. Then you have to select the template category, then you have to name this template, then you have to select the template type, after which you have to draft the message in the way that you want to send. Then you have to select the template language, after which you simply have to click on the submit. Now after your template will be created, you have to create the campaign for the same template. For that, on the left hand side we can see this option of campaigns, where we have to click on this launch button, and then we have to go to this API campaign. Now in this box I have to select the template. So as we know, the name of the template was cultural club program, and I want to name the campaign same as that of my template. So I'll enter the name and simply click on this set live. After my campaign will be live, I will be able to use this in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So now I have already created this campaign by the name cultural club program, and over here you can see that this is the same template that I have used. Now what I'm going to do is simply copy the name of this campaign and paste that over here in this workflow. And now I have to enter the mobile number. So to enter this, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response from IndiaMART, and when I click on this field, I can see this IndiaMART, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from IndiaMART. Now I need to enter the mobile number that I have received as response. So the mobile number was. Now after entering the mobile number, I need to enter the username. So I will follow the same process and enter my username as this one. Now here source and tags are not required fields, so I am going to skip this, but if you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk given below these fields. Now in this template parameter, it is written enter the parameter values to be filled in a template message. Here the parameter value should be comma separated, example this. So here as we can see that in our template we just have the name of the customer as the template parameter that we have to enter, and if we had many more variables, we should have entered all the variables and separated those variables with the help of comma. Now as I just have one, so I am going to enter the name only. Now after entering the template parameter, attributes, URL and file name are not required fields, so for now I am going to simply skip this. And over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if we have received the new response. Over here if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down and then click on this save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response. The result is true, and now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. And here I can see that I have instantly received the message hello, and this has been replaced with the name of the lead who has sent the query. Thank you for your interest in our cultural club program. We are excited to connect with you. Feel free to ask any questions or get details about our upcoming events, exclusive offers, and more right here. Let us know how we can assist you in registering or learning more. Looking forward to having you with us. So now to check whether this workflow is running fine or not, I am going to send some more query from my same profile to my own business and check whether I will receive the response here or not. So here I have opened my profile and I am going to enter some other query. Hello testing, thanks. So now I am going to click on this next and then click on this submit. After submitting my query, I should receive a WhatsApp message. So let's quickly open my WhatsApp. And here I can see that I have received this message also. Now here this name has not changed. Why? Because I was using the same profile to send the query. So hello, and the rest of the message is same. Now to summarize, We took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent the test query and received the response here in this workflow. After that, we moved to the next step where we took WhatsApp by AI Sensi as our action application. We entered the campaign name, entered the mobile number, the username and template parameter. With the help of a method called mapping, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these messages being sent to my WhatsApp number. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensi with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.